Eloquent English. Unlock the power of fluent English.
Yo, welcome back to Eloquent English, the podcast where we help you speak real, everyday English, slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
Hey there, I'm Carl, and I'm here with the always awesome Helen. Today's episode is all about something everyone experiences, but not everyone can talk about in English.
That's right. It's something we mention almost every day, whether it's sunny, rainy, cloudy, or just confusing. We're talking about the weather.
Have you ever been outside with a friend or a coworker and they say something like, "What a beautiful day," and you just nod because you're not sure how to reply?
Or maybe you wanted to say, "It's so humid today," but instead you just said, "It's hot," again, for the 100th time.
Exactly. We all start there. But today we're going to help you go beyond just hot or cold.
You'll learn how to describe the weather like a native speaker and even use it to make conversation.
And don't worry, we've created a helpful PDF with tips and practice exercises. It's linked in the description, so check it out after the episode.
So, are you ready to sound more natural and confident when talking about the weather in English?
Let's get into it. Let's start with something simple, but important. It's hot is not always enough.
So true. Saying it's hot or it's cold is okay, but English has so many ways to describe different kinds of weather, and sometimes just saying hot can feel too general.
Right. Think about it. Is it a dry heat, a sticky heat, a burning sun? Each of those has different feelings, and in English, we have different words for them.
For example, instead of just hot, we can say it's boiling today or it's sweltering. Those words show that it's really, really hot.
Let's try something. It's 35 degrees Celsius, the sun is strong, and you're sweating like crazy. What could you say?
You could say, it's boiling hot today, or I'm melting out here.
And for cold weather, instead of always saying it's cold, you could say it's freezing or it's chilly.
Chilly means it's cool, but not too cold, just enough to wear a sweater or jacket.
Now imagine someone says, "It's a bit chilly this morning." That gives you a better picture than just cold.
The more you learn to be specific, the better your English becomes. You start painting a picture with your words.
And that's what conversation is all about. Not just giving information, but sharing feeling, experience, and even mood.
All right, let's move on to some super useful adjectives and expressions you can use in real life. Let's look at some adjectives and expressions that make your English sound more natural when talking about the weather.
You already know hot and cold, right? But what about windy, foggy, or humid?
Let's go through a few together. I'll say the word and you can repeat it after me. Ready?
Great. First one, windy. That means the wind is strong. Say it with us. It's windy today.
Next, foggy. This means there's fog and you can't see very far. Try, it's foggy this morning.
How about rainy? That's an easy one. It's rainy. Or even better, it's pouring. That means very heavy rain.
Now this one is important. Humid. It feels wet in the air like your skin is sticky. Say it. It's hot and humid today.
Here's a fun one. It's overcast. That means the sky is cloudy and gray. No sunshine.
And if the sun is just starting to show, we say it's partly sunny or it's partly cloudy. They mean the same thing, really.
Let's practice together. I'll describe the weather and you guess the word. Ready? The wind is strong. It's shaking the trees. What's the word? Yes, windy.
The sky is full of thick white mist. You can't see the road clearly. What is it? Right, foggy.
It's hot outside and your shirt is sticking to your back. What's that? Perfect. Humid.
See? You're doing great. These little words help people understand exactly what kind of weather you mean.
Let's keep building. Next, we'll talk about how to speak about the weather in the past and future.
Okay, now let's talk about something super useful. How to describe the weather in the past and future.
This is really important. In real life, people often talk about what the weather was like yesterday or what it will be like tomorrow.
Let's start with the past. Instead of it is sunny, we say it was sunny.
Try it with us. Repeat, it was sunny yesterday. Nice. Here's another. It was raining all night.
Now, the future. We use will be for that. Say, it will be cold tomorrow.
Or it will be rainy this weekend. You can also use it's going to be, which sounds more casual.
For example, it's going to be windy later. Try it. It's going to be windy later.
Now, let's look at a common mistake. Some learners say, yesterday is sunny. That sounds wrong, right?
Right. It should be yesterday was sunny. Always match the verb with the time.
Want to practice with us? I'll say the time, you say the weather. Say, yesterday. Yes, it was sunny.
Now try this one. Say tomorrow. Good job. It will be cloudy or it's going to be cloudy.
Awesome. Once you get used to this, your English will feel much more natural.
And now, let's talk about feelings. Because weather doesn't just change the sky, it changes us too. Have you ever noticed how the weather can affect your mood?
Totally. On a sunny day, I feel more active and cheerful. But when it's raining nonstop, I just want to stay in bed.
Same here. And in English, we often link weather and emotions. For example, you might hear someone say, I feel blue when it's gloomy.
Gloomy means the sky is dark, maybe rainy or cloudy. And feeling blue means feeling sad or a little down.
We also say things like, it's such a bright day, I feel great. Or this cold weather makes me feel lazy.
Exactly. So when you talk about weather, you can add how you feel about it to make it more personal.
Let's try it together. Say, it's raining today, I feel sleepy. Now try, it's sunny today, I feel happy.
Perfect. This makes your English sound real, human, and warm, not like a robot.
Here's something fun. Some people feel more creative when it's stormy, others feel calm when it's snowing.
That's true. So next time someone asks, how's the weather? Try adding how you feel about it too.
All right, now we're going to talk about something a little more global, how weather is used in conversations around the world.
Let's take a little trip around the world. No passport needed.
Right. Weather talk isn't just about rain or sunshine, it's also about culture. In English-speaking countries like the UK, the US, Canada, or Australia, talking about the weather is a social tool. It helps start a conversation in a polite, friendly way.
Exactly. In the UK, for example, you might hear, lovely day, isn't it? Even if it's raining. It's not about the weather itself. It's a way to say, let's talk.
In contrast, in some countries, people only talk about the weather if it's really extreme, like during a storm or heat wave. So if you're from a culture where weather isn't small talk, it might feel a little weird at first.
But don't worry. When learning English, you're also learning how people use language socially. So weather talk is your safe conversation starter. It's perfect when you meet someone new or don't know what to say next.
Also, accents and weather words change depending on the country. For example, in the UK, they say it's nippy today, meaning cold. In Australia, they might say it's a scorcher for a very hot day.
So if you're watching TV or chatting with native speakers online, don't be surprised by different ways of saying things. Just observe, ask questions, and learn.
And always remember, in English-speaking cultures, a quick comment like, "Beautiful weather, huh?" can turn into a full conversation.
So, wherever you are in the world, Weather Talk can help you build your confidence and connections.
You're not just talking about the sky. You're opening the door to new friendships.
Okay, time for a quick challenge. Let's see how much you remember.
We're going to ask you a few questions. Think for a few seconds. Then we'll tell you the answer and explain. You ready?
Let's go. Question 1. Which one is correct when it's raining hard? A. It's foggy. B. It's pouring. C. It's humid.
Answer B. It's pouring. That means the rain is very heavy. Pouring is stronger than just raining.
Question 2. You feel sticky and uncomfortable. What's the weather like? A. It's humid. B. It's windy. C. It's chilly.
Answer A. It's humid. Humidity means the air feels wet and heavy, even if it's not raining.
Question 3. What's the past form of it is sunny? A. It was sunny. B. It is sunny yesterday. C. It's sunny.
Answer A. It was sunny. We use was for past tense. Never say it is sunny yesterday.
Question 4. Which is more polite? A. It's cold. I hate this. B. It's a bit chilly today.
Answer B. It's a bit chilly today. That sounds more polite and gentle. Great for conversation.
Question 5. Choose the correct sentence. A. It will sunny tomorrow. B. It going to rain. C. It's going to be windy.
Answer C. It's going to be windy. Always remember to use going to be for future weather.
Nice job. You're doing great.
And remember, if you missed a few, that's okay. You can listen again and practice as many times as you like.
Let's take a moment to reflect. Here are 2 questions just for you.
First, have you ever had to talk about the weather in English with a stranger, like in a taxi or at work? What did you say? How did it feel?
And second, when you're feeling nervous or shy, do you use small talk, like weather, to start a conversation? Be honest.
If you've ever felt awkward or unsure, that's totally normal. When I first traveled abroad, I didn't know how to say it's chilly. I just said cold, cold, and pointed at my coat.
I've been there too. I once said, "It's raining cats." I didn't realize I needed the full phrase, "raining cats and dogs," and the person just laughed.
Moments like that help us learn. Don't be afraid of little mistakes. They're your best teachers.
We'd love to hear your stories. So if you're listening on YouTube or Spotify, leave a comment and tell us, have you had a funny or tricky moment talking about the weather?
Your voice matters. And when you share, someone else learns too.
Let's keep growing together, one sunny or stormy day at a time.
Wow, today was packed with helpful stuff, wasn't it?
Totally. Let's do a quick recap. We learned how to talk about the weather using simple phrases, use past and future tense correctly, express how weather makes us feel, add emotions and small talk into our English, and avoid common mistakes and speak more naturally.
And you practice with us too, so big high five to you. Don't forget, there's a free PDF waiting for you in the description or comments. It includes today's vocabulary, examples, and practice questions.
Use it to review at your own pace, and try talking about today's weather with a friend in English. Even just one sentence a day makes a difference.
Also, if you enjoyed today's episode, please hit like, leave a comment, and follow our channel, Eloquent English. We read every message, and your support helps us create more content just for you.
Next week's episode is going to be exciting, and we'll explore another real-world English topic that's super useful.
So stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.
Until next time.
Keep speaking, keep growing. Bye.